Meaning of hanging basket.
Hanging basket.
Hanging basket.
Hanging basket.
Hanging basket. A hanging basket typically refers to a decorative container that is suspended from a ceiling or hook, and is used for growing plants. The basket can be made of various materials such as plastic, wire, or wicker, and is usually lined with moss or coconut fibers to hold the soil and support the roots of the plants. Hanging baskets are often used to add color and beauty to indoor and outdoor spaces, and can contain a variety of plants such as flowers, herbs, ferns, or succulents. They can also save space and provide an interesting visual element to any room or garden.